In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious. My dear students, second intermediate students, today we will be with Unit 9, Lesson 1, The Walk with Fahad, Part 1. The first section, say, read and answer. Look at the picture. Look, what do you think Jack and Fred are talking about? What do you think Jack has to remember? Before you answer, read the dialogue. Fred, I'll be in Bournemouth when you and Omar visit Fahad there. And we want to do the walk with us? Yes, that's right. Sounds fun. And I have to ask Fahad and Omar, but I'm sure they'll say yes. But remember two things. If you are on the walk, bring the right equipment and arrive on time. Bring the right equipment and arrive on time. Number C, where, who, what do the words in bold refer to? There, you, us, it, they. What do you think Jack and Fred are talking about? They are talking about their trip to Bournemouth. What do you think Jack has to remember? He has to remember two things. The first, the right equipment, and the second is to arrive on time. Number C, who, where, and what the words in bold refer to. I, Jack. There, Bournemouth. You, Jack. Us, Omar and Fahad. It, the walk. They, Fahad and Omar and Fred. This is the parts A, B, C. Number 2, listen, answer, and say. Listen. You should listen to take the correct sentences. Listen now. Listen now. After you listen, you should take the correct sentences. The first one, Jack arrived on time, is false. Number 2, Fred doesn't have his mobile. False. Number 3, Omar has the map. True. Number 4, Jack has an extra jacket. X. False. Number 5, Jack's shoes are strong. True. Number 6, Jack doesn't have a backpack. False. These are the correct sentences. We have 2 correct sentences, but all the 4 are wrong. You should correct the false sentences. Jack arrived on time? No, Jack arrived late. Fred doesn't have his mobile? No, Fred has his mobile. Jack has an extra jacket? No. Omar has an extra jacket. Jack's shoes are strong. Number 6, Jack doesn't have a backpack. No, Jack has a backpack. These are the answers. Now let's go to page 75. We have to complete the sentence with because, in case, or to. Because, in case, or to. Also, you will listen, then complete. After you listen, you have to complete number 2. You have to have a map and the compass to know which direction to take. Number 3, we have to take a waterproof jacket in case it rains. Number 4, you have to check the forecast. The weather can change quickly because. Number 5, you have to wear boots to protect your feet. Jack doesn't have to wear boots because his shoes are strong. You have to carry something to drink in case you are thirsty. Jack has to take his backpack to carry his equipment. These are the answers. We completed the sentences with because, in case, and to. Number C, talk to your partner. Use the sentence from exercise 4A. And why not? We don't have to take our mobiles. Why not? Because Fred and Omar have theirs. Like these, make sentences why not, using why not. Number 5, say and write. Talk to your partner, choose role A or rule B and follow the steps below. Suggest an activity and a time to a friend. Refuse. Say why. Accept the refusal. Suggest another time. Accept the new time. Write a conversation in your notebooks. These are examples. Let's go shopping on Thursday. Sorry, I can't. I have to go to the dentist. We don't have to go on Thursday. We could go on Friday. Friday? Yes, I can go on Friday. These are the workbook activities. Read Amy's notes about her school rules and write sentences. Use we have to and we don't have to. We have to means we must. We don't have to, we are not obliged to. It's not necessary to. Wear school uniform. We have to wear school uniform. Wear a skirt. We have to wear a skirt. Eat lunch every day. We have to eat lunch every day. Walk in the playground. We don't have to walk in the playground. Take notebooks to school. We don't have to take notebooks to school. Take pens and pencils to school. We have to take pens and pencils to school. Walk along the corridors. We have to walk along the corridors. Eat a hot meal every day. Eat a hot meal every day. We don't have to eat a hot meal every day. Number 4, complete the sentences about what they have to or don't have to. Fahad doesn't have to go on school trips. Charlie, if you see the tick through this tag, you use have to. But if you see X, you should use doesn't have to or don't have to. Charlie has to. Charlie has to tell his mom if he misses the bus. He has to call his mom. Fred and Nina has to call, yes. Number 3, Fred and Nina don't have to do the housework every day. Rima has to pray every day. Jack doesn't have to work at the pizza house. Fred and Nina have to look after Omar. Lucy has to wear glasses to help her see. Number 8, Fred and Jack have to check the forecast. Number 5, complete with in case or because. You have to take an umbrella in case trains. People have to wear seat belts in case they have an accident. You don't have to wear a coat because it isn't cold today. You have to take a map in case we get lost. You have to call your parents because they always worry. I have to wear a helmet in case I fall off the horse. The last question. Jack thinks the walk sounds fun. 2, before they go on the walk, the boys check their equipment. They have to take waterproof jackets, umbrellas in case trains. Waterproof jackets. They have to wear walking boots or strong shoes to protect their feet. They take a compass to tell them the direction. Fred says yes, refuses when Jack asks if he can leave his backpack, refuses. Find 6 more things the boys take with them on their walk. You should find 6 more things. Map, compass, backpack, waterproof jacket. This was the end of our lesson today, Unit 9, Lesson 1, the student book and the work book. Best wishes, Mr. Khalid Eid.